SIG 1273 is an advanced dual-action molecule that was developed after 20 years of research on isoprenylcysteines out of Dr. Jeffrey Stock's lab at Princeton University. What the research team uncovered was an organic phytol-derived compound, SIG 1273, that acts as a super antioxidant and helps target the causes of inflammation. In a broader scope of clinical studies, they were able to see that the compound could mimic and boost the skin's age-fighting mechanism and combat the oxidative stress that can lead to fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration, as well as correct existing signs of aging. This led to the patent of SIG 1273, an intelligent molecule that goes beyond just addressing the signs of aging to actually targeting the causes, helping your skin look more youthful now and for years to come.